Hi, welcome to the Craft channel. My name's Corinne Brad, and today I've got a really quick project for you. It's not even really a project, but it's just something very handy if you've ever made a little mini album or a little wallet card and then you've stuffed it so full of photographs and mementos that you can't actually keep it closed. And what it is a sleeve, like an album sleeve if you're old enough to remember vinyl. And it just holds it closed, and then you can decorate it, make it part of the gift. I'm going to do this for a 10 centimetre square album. You'll need a piece of card that is 10 centimetres plus another 8 centimetres because you want a lip so that you can actually get your album in and out of it. And I'm going to make this is 13 centimetres wide, so I can get a decent score line down it, and you can also fit your album in. So just use a ruler and a ball-ended tool to score down 1 centimetre on each long edge. Let's put it here so you can actually see what I'm doing. Always helps if you work in the centre of your mat, doesn't it? And then this will be the top or the front. So I'm just going to score this 8 centimetres from the top edge, like so. Fold in all your score lines. And it's not always easy to fold that 1 centimetre score line accurately, especially if you've not actually done it on a scoring board, you've just done it with a ball-ended tool. But you should be able to get them nice and straight, and then fold up this central fold. And then before you go any further, just clip that intersection so that you have triangular tabs. Also, what I'm going to do is just clip the tabs on what will be the front of the folder. Now, normally when you make a sleeve like this, you would not have tabs on both sides. But the reason I've left them on the back is because if you put things in and out and stuff these in drawers and shoe boxes and things like that, it's likely to get dog-eared at the end. So if you leave the excess card on the back part of your folder and use a bit of double-sided tape or glue, I'm opting for tape this time, mainly because last time I tried this with glue, nothing would stick. Fold that in. So that what you've got is a double thickness of card on those corners that can get dog-eared. And then simply get some more double-sided tape, pop them down these shorter tabs, make sure the tape doesn't overlap the tabs, because otherwise what will happen is you'll end up sticking the wallet to itself and you'll never be able to get anything in there. And then fold it over while you're pushing those tabs in, and just tuck them slightly in so that the front of your folder has got a bow in it, and you can just pop your album in there really easily. In fact, you could probably get a couple of albums in this one. So I'm not going to do you a template for this because it is dependent on the size of your album in the first place. But if you've got something like a 10 centimetre square album, you need to make sure you've got 3 centimetres excess on the width for your tabs, and then double the height of it, take away 2 centimetres so that you can get things in and out of it easily. Hope you like that. Very quick one for you. Obviously it can be decorated to your heart's desire. And please come back again. We've got lots of demonstrations coming up every week. If you subscribe, we can send you a notification when we've got a new one coming. In the meantime, please keep safe and thank you very much for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.